Ciao Amici, I'm Mastro Leo Spitzieri, and I'm so excited to be joining the Blackstone Network with my new show, Ciao Amici with me, Chef Leo. Together we will cover the do's and don'ts of basic pizza making. I'm going to show you how to make the best doughs of your life all by hand. Never made pizza sauce? I'll teach you how delicious and simple it really is. I'm going to walk you through both store-bought and locally available ingredients, as well as a few specialty items to really elevate your pizza game. Whether you're a beginner pizza cook or a seasoned veteran, I'll show you some of my go-to recipes and techniques that'll take you to new levels of pizza perfection. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what pizza recipes you're most excited to learn about. Remember, friends, pizza isn't hard. It only takes good ingredients and a little technique. Join me each week for new pizza recipes and pizza oven ideas on Ciao Amici.
35 years. This never gets old.